Welcome to Fusion Cooking Channel.
Hello, we are going to make two exciting snacks for kids today. The first one is made with muri. Take 2 cups of fresh muri. They're already dry, but we are dry roasting them for a couple of minutes just to make them extra crispy, and they'll stay crispy for more time, like a couple of weeks easily. Keep them aside and let them cool down. In a medium hot pan, take a tablespoon of oil. We are going to dry roast the peanuts at a very low flame, because if we increase the heat, they will easily get burnt and the inside will not be roasted. We are adding 3 red chili. Roast them slowly. This is going to add the protein to that snack that we are going to make. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic crushed lightly. Add curry leaves. Curry leaves add great taste and crunch to this snack, so if you find it, you must use it. This is chana dal. This is a roasted one, pre-roasted one, but we are trying to roast it slightly again to make it extra crispy. If you look at this, is full of protein. We are adding 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder. Roast and mix them together. Now you can add the already roasted muri to it. Mix well, and this makes a great afternoon snack or after school snack for kids or somebody coming back from office. It has a right combination of protein, carbs and spice. If you like this one, hit like button and share your comments below. We are making this snack with full makhana. It's a very interesting food. It is very good for brain development and healthy heart. It also strengthens bone. It also detoxifies the liver. It has a lot of health benefits, and it is very rich in calcium and iron. Need to dry roast this a little bit until it crisps up. No need to add oil or anything. Just dry roast them on a low flame. Just keep the full makhana aside in part of the pan. Add a little bit of ghee, 1 teaspoon, or cooking oil is also fine. Need to add just red chili powder, about a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just mix it well until it gets a good coating. Add a teaspoon of salt. It is very simple, very easy to make, but it's very tasty. It also makes a great evening or afternoon snack for kids or office goers. Please share your comments, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching all the way till the end. See you next time. Bye bye now.